Sana po magustuhan nyo. Simple lang siya. Yung kanta to nung By Chance by Jimich. I hope you like. Simple lang. Palakpak naman.
Ikaw lang inspired.
Girl, you caught my eye. Thought I should give it a try. Yeah, you need a number. Go grab some lunch and eat some cucumber. Why did I say that? I don't know why. But you're smiling and it's something I like on your face. Yeah, it suits you. Girl, we connect like we have Bluetooth. I don't know why I'm drawn to you. But you really are the one so beautiful too. And it's so based on a lucky chance. You'd rather add than subtract. Sabay naman. You and I could be like Sunny and Cher, honey and basil. You and I could be like I said in Jasmine. Let's make it happen like la 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 la. Hey, how are you? I know it's been a while. Are you tired? You've been on my mind. Only thousands of miles. Girl, I know I've lost out of style, but you look so beautiful on this starry night. I've been the way the moonlight catches your eyes and you smile. You're captivating. I could beg it. Sorry. Okay na po yun. Sorry na lang ah. 1, 2, 3, go! You and I could be like Sunny and Cher, honey and basil. You and I could be like Aladdin and Jasmine. Let's make it happen like la 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 la. Thank you po. Thank you. That's the